What this is going to do, this is going to tell the tree that, hey, I'm not going up anymore and I need to grow out and grow down. So we're just going to go through and just kind of make a nice little shape here and clip off all these little top branches and give it a nice good shape just like that. And we're going to take these bottoms off. Doesn't need these. Doesn't need them. Go just like that. Even this one out here on the end, that one's fine. This one here I'm going to take off just because it didn't look like it was too healthy. And if you ever have any that are growing across the top, like this one, it's growing towards the middle, you want to get rid of that. You don't want that. You want this open. You want all this open because you're going to need the airflow later on as the tree is produced. So this looks pretty good. I'm going to take off this branch and I'm going to leave it just like that. This is going to encourage some good growth. Clip all this off around the top. So you want it nice cut back about 1/3. And now it's going to encourage root growth down below the tree, and it's going to grow a whole lot better and get a lot better root system. The next thing we're going to do is give it a nice good watering.